We have another remote start finished up here, innovative car sound. This is a 2011 Cadillac CTS. We did the Viper add-on remote start to the factory remote. Here is the remote. To crank the engine on, you hit lock 3 times. 1, 2, 3. A few seconds later, it will crank the engine up. The engine stays turned on for roughly about 10 to 15 minutes. After that time frame, the vehicle will shut down all by itself. If you change your mind and you're not leaving, you want to shut down the engine, you can do that by doing the lock 3 times again. 1, 2, 3. And on the third one, it will shut down. We have the Viper remote start available here at Innovative Car Sound. Come by the shop. We are open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6, closed on Sunday. This one is a 2011 Cadillac CTS Viper add-on remote start to the factory remote. And we'll see you guys on the next one.